I decided to hop on for a quick little video of my finished Marine to Life. Oh, by the way, this is Joy with Joy's Happy Hobbies and Joy's Putty. Welcome. Before I hit the sack tonight, I thought I'd show you my completed painting of this. This is from DAC, and it's artist Dominic Davison, and it's 92 by 70 centimeters, and it took me, with everything that I do every day, it took me about 3 months to complete this, or maybe a little less. I joined the Ticket to Ride destination painting event, and this is the painting that I did. If you belong to my Facebook group, you've seen me post some working whips with this, and excuse me, I'm having chamomile tea before I go to bed. Anyway, if you're on my Facebook group, you've seen me post progress pictures, or if you were involved with the Ticket to Ride event, posted pictures on there. This is a DAC painting, Diamond Art Club, but I got this probably about 2 to 3 years ago. So I think their drills have improved a lot since then. Well, I know they have, because I did a painting by them last year for an event, and the painting went very smoothly. But this one, oh yeah, the drills were rough. They were uneven. They had little pokey. Some of them were stuck together. Some of them, I had to pull off because I couldn't get the next drill in. But I managed to get it done. So first I'll show you the top of it. Here, let's get this slid over here. So this will be my first painting completed for 2025, the new year. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful painting. It's a seascape, and it's on a fireplace. I'm sure if you've been around a while, diamond painting, and you know Diamond Art Club, you've seen this painting and you've seen other people post it in its completion. So it's probably not new to some of you, but it was new to me, and had been in my stash for all that time, and I thought this event would be the best thing to pull it out and finally get it done. But it ended up being beautiful anyway, with all the problems I had with the drills. It still looks fantastic. I love how everything looks like it's coming out to life, hence the name Marine to Life. So I added a few of my own touches to it. Now, the kit came with two ABs, and I'm going to look on here. One was DMC code 134, which was a light green, and the other one was 136, which was kind of a purplish blue. And the green ones went in here, and the blue ones went in the water. And I don't know if I can get more of a close-up. You might be able to see them. Let's see. You might be able to see them. They had the blue up here on the roofs. I think you could kind of see them in the greenery here, right in here. Okay, and then some more over here. And then there was blue ABs right in here. You can see them shining. I don't know. You could tell. Yeah. And then I added my own. I replaced the 321 regular drills with my 321 ABs, and it's on this starfish. Right, it's a long painting. I have to move it around. I don't know if you could tell the ABs on here. Yeah, you can kind of see them sparkle a little bit more. If I do it a little closer, let's see. But then I get off the camera. But here, you can see. Yeah, you could tell right there. See them? And then there were 666s that I replaced with ABs. I did some in, let's see, the feet of the seagull here. I don't know if you could tell the feet of the seagull right here. Can that show? I don't know if you could see that. Yeah, it's hard to see on the screen. And what else did I do? Oh, the other thing I did was I got some drills from Etsy. They're called Stardust, which is like the fairy dust or whatever people are calling these. And these have the mica powder in them, so they're not like an AB. The sparkle is inside. It's more shimmery. Let's see if I can. I put them in the body. Can you see that? I don't know if you could tell. It's hard to pick this up because it's so, I don't know, I think you could see the shimmer in there. So I put them in the body of the birds and the wings. Can you see that? Okay. And then I also, you're probably getting dizzy with me moving this all around. Oh, I did put 321s up here on the top of the lighthouse. You can kind of see those. But what I did with the Stardust is I put it into the, put it into the white caps of the ocean waves. It's hard to tell, huh? They do shimmer, and hopefully you can see the shimmer. I'll pick it up and see if I can move it. You can kind of see the shimmer in there. It's hard to tell. Anyway, those are the little things I did with this painting. So I just wanted to show you how pretty it came out. If you're new to diamond painting and you haven't seen this one yet, it is on Diamond Art Club. And it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. Yeah, so even over here is the shimmer drills. I don't know. It's hard to show. It's like all the other drills sparkle up really good, so you can't. Oh, and then I put some 445s in here. Put some 445s along this area here. So let's see if you can see that. All right. Yeah, there, see? You can see them sparkle a little more than the rest. But the painting is so sparkly anyway that, unless you're looking at it in person, you hardly notice it. So that's it. I wanted to just share my first completion. And I hope you're not all dizzy from me moving this all around. I want to, before I forget, I want to welcome anyone that is new to my channel. I hope you kind of liked what I'm doing, and I hope that you'll come back. Be sure to. Let's see, I can't show my hands. There we go. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll know when, I guess if I move this back up here, there, show my hands here. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that when I do another video, you'll be notified and you'll be able to check it out. Also give it a like. It's very important for likes, I guess, for the algorithm or something on YouTube. So anyway, I just really love how detailed this painting is. I love the world globe. I did shimmer around here, around the outline too. Anyway, that's it. Also, my Facebook group, Joy's Diamond. Joy. I used to have a group called Joy's Diamond Painting and More, but since I started making putty, I changed it to Joy's Putty and More. So that's my Facebook group, and that links to my Facebook group and to this painting will be in the description box. I don't know if I think I covered everything. So I think I'm going to be onward to bed now, and I will see you on the next video. Bye now.